Hello kids, welcome to AHA. Let me tell you a story of Snowman today. Once upon a time, in a magical land of snow, there lived a little snowman named Frosty. One sunny day, Frosty felt a warm breeze. He started to melt. But just as he was about to disappear, a group of playful children rushed over and quickly built a new snowman. With big smiles and giggles, they gave him colorful scarf, a shiny carrot nose, a sparkly button eyes. Frosty's heart was filled with joy as he realized that even though he melted, the love and laughter of friends could bring him back to life. From that day on, Frosty and his new friends had the most delightful winter adventures together, making every snowy day a magical one. Hope you like this story.